Sadie, don't move. I think it's Tyrannosaurus. Hey Sadie, is it safe to go into space?
Yeah.
It is not safe. Not, because it's safe for you. Hey Sadie.
Hey, what?
I'm glad I had a daughter because son is hard to look at. Hey Sadie.
Hey, what?
Some people like their burgers to be veggie burgers, but I like mine to be meatier. Hey Sadie.
Hey, what?
How do you get a baby to fall asleep?
I don't know.
You rock it. Hey Sadie, can you see it nicely? 'Cause
Yes.
I think it's crystal clear. Sadie, they let any age in here, don't they? Even minors. Hey Sadie,
Hey, what?
are you scared of any of these things? Because I'm petrified. Hey Sadie,
Hey, what?
you better not be naughty. You better behave yourself. Hey Sadie,
It's hard to
I think driving home's a bad idea. We butterfly.
Let's.
Hey Sadie,
Hey, what?
I think I want to buy one of these animals. Look, this one's only $1. Sadie, can you believe these animals are all naked? Look, this one's completely bare. Oh look, this mama and papa polar bear had 2 babies. You could say they're bipolar. Sadie, hey Sadie, I no longer want you to call me Dad. From now on, I want you to call me Pa. You promise to behave yourself?
Yeah.
Okay, we should seal the deal. Thank you for coming over, Sadie, because I must ask you a question. Hey Sadie, I'm trying to style my hair. Do you have any mousse? Mousse, because you put it in your hair. Hey Sadie, how do you pound in a nail? You hammer it. You hammer it. Hey Sadie, are you having fun?
Yeah.
So I'm having a skeleton of fun. Skeleton. Sadie, I just want you to know that I'm watching you. Eyes watching you. Oh yeah. Hey Sadie, we're going down. I'll see you escalator. Escalator.
Hey, Dad, this is a Slidosaurus.
A Slidosaurus. I love you so much. Hey Sadie, better leave these alone. Sadie? Sadie? You're not Sadie. Sadie? Sadie? I'm lost. I'm lost. You're Sadie. Are you Sadie? You're not Sadie. Are you Sadie? 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 Sadie! I found you! Oh, I found leaves and I tried to do a dad joke where I said, better leave these alone because they're leaves, but you weren't there. Oh, that's cool.
Oh.
Hey, Sadie, that's a cute house you're building. I find it to be adorable. Hey, Sadie, this dinosaur looks like he's in pain. Do you think he's a Saurosaurus? Hey Sadie,
Hey, what?
how do you think a hatchet introduces himself?
I don't know.
He says, "Hi, I'm Axe."
This one fell.
Hey Sadie, you should really try to. Sadie, you should try to eat seafood. You should really try a bite. Let's try a bite. Hey Sadie, what happens when an Egyptian has a cold?
I don't know.
They have a sarcophagus. Sarcophagus. Hey Sadie, are you telling the truth? Don't be lying. Where are you going? Hey Sadie, you're being too loud. You better shuttle your mouth. Hey Sadie, did you hear about the 2 astronauts who are strangers? Eventually they met. They met each other. Hey Sadie,
Hey, what?
Guess what time it is?
What?
2:30. 2:30.
Ow.
Sadie, are you sad that we're leaving?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, now museum, now you don't. Now museum, now you don't. Wow, this is, oh man.